Alright fellas, this is a new modification for my 4Runner 5th gen. You know, you guys put the TRD faceplate over the chest plate on the 4Runner. I ended up finding this one. It was not as expensive as the Toyota brand. Same thing. I mean, I don't mind, but this is what I got. So it's a 5th gen 4Runner chest plate. Packaging seems to be okay. Has aluminum packaging. You see the thickness. It's a 1/4 inch thickness. I'm gonna take them out of the box so you guys can look at it. I know it's a silver gray aluminum color. It doesn't go with my 4Runner. So what I'm gonna do is I bought a couple cans of PlastiDip, and I'm gonna dip it black and install it. Alright, so stay tuned and see how it goes. Alright, so I got it out of the package. It comes in this bubble wrap. This is what it comes. It's on instructions. I'm doing the need some instructions. This is self-explanatory. Alright, so here's the protection. There it goes. That's how it looks. The other side. There it is. So it doesn't come with any letters in there or anything like that. So I'm just gonna grab it from there. And I mean, for me, it's okay. Once I paint it black, it's gonna hide a little bit of some of these imperfections in there. I mean, I didn't pay a lot of money for it. It's just a style look. It's gonna get hit with rocks and things like that, so I don't mind. I'm just gonna use a PlastiDip, paint it black, both sides, and then mount it. Alright, so I'll let you guys once I'm done finish painting it, and then we're gonna go to the installation part later. Okay, now that we have the chest plate paint, what we need to do is continue to remove the bottom parts of this is additional, I put that up, the additional parts of the protection under the 4Runner to get ready for the chest plate. So for this one, you have to remove 6 screws on the front, which is this one, this clip screw here, there's another screw here, and then that here. After that, you need to remove this protection, which is also 4 screws. This is one right here, 2, and the other one's 1 right here and 1 right here. So they look like 12 millimeters for this one. This one looks like a 10, maybe smaller, but those are the only ones you have to remove to get rid of those 2 parts so the chest plate can go here. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those screws to remove this protection and get ready for the chest plate. Alright. Okay, so this is the 2 parts that you have to remove. This is the part that is on the front, and this is the part that's on the back. So basically, this goes like this. That's how it goes. And there's a part that goes underneath. In fact, here they are, the screws. The ones on the front are 10 millimeters. The ones in the back are 12s. Alright, so Now that we have everything removed, now that everything is removed, what I'm actually gonna do is just wipe them down a little bit before I put the chest plate. That is ready. Just wipe them down, just clean it a little bit, and got the chest plate right there. So once I done cleaning underneath, I'm gonna start putting it on. Also gonna show you what screws need to go in there. It comes with the chest plate. There's a set of screws in there, so I'm just gonna show you guys what you need to do. I believe we also have to use some of the screws that we have in there, but I'll let you guys know. Let me just wipe it down and I'll continue with the video. Okay, so now that we have all those protections out, we need to get the skid plate ready for. So we need to remove those screws, all 14 millimeter. This one right here, this one right here as well. That's where the one that comes with the kit, with the little spacer needs to go in. So we need to remove that one that's coming out right there. This other one right here, this one right here, and that's where this skid plate is gonna go. Okay, so skid plate, chest plate, whatever you want to call it, is already installed. There we go. A little bit outside. Like I said, I don't like the fact that it says TRD, so I go with this option. Also, it's cheaper. It's gonna get hit by rocks and everything, so I don't want to spend a lot of money into that. This is work just as well. So that's the skid plate with PlastiDip. You can see the screw, PlastiDip screw, but never mind, I have to do it again. But anyway, just remember, use your torque and make sure you put 22-pound torque on every screw. So just make sure you put the torque in it, and it's ready to go. Here we go. Let me know what you guys think. All right, have a good one.